What is up, guys? Today I would like to introduce the South Korea Desert Camo uniform used by the Sennoksuk units when they were deployed to Somalia in 1993. So I heard that it's the first time South Korean military were deployed overseas. So they I feel that they have no clue what camo they should use, so they adopt the American six-color desert camo, aka the chocolate chip camo. Although the color is the same, but it's actually much difference. The US military uniform design always have like 4 pockets, while the Korean one always only have like 2 on the shirts. And the material is also way different. So the American one is pretty rough, but I feel that the South Korea one is more soft, more comfortable. And South Korean military uniform always have the shoulder strap, which the American uniform don't have it. And the clothes inside the V-neck place, I feel that is for like you don't need to wear the same color underwear as the camo uniform outside. You can wear whatever you like inside because this clothes would help you cover it. And let's take a look at the patch. On the right side of the arms there's a United Nations patch, and on the other side there's a Korea patch. And let's take a look at the rank. The other parts. This is the rank. So usually, this is the rank that the Korean military used on the OD uniform and the early 90s woodland camo uniform. So usually it's supposed to be like right side would be the rank and the left side would be the service branch patches. This one's supposed to be here, but until the mid 90s they changed it to like left side and right side are both rank, and then they put the service branch patch above your name tag. So let's take a look at the helmets. So the helmet itself is an M76 helmet, and the helmet cover is just like the old South Korea military's cover. It has a helmet strap installed inside the helmet cover, and it has a helmet rank. And sometimes South Korean military in Somalia don't wear the helmet. Sometimes they wear a cap that is in 6-color desert camo's color, or a United Nations blue baseball cap. And sometimes they also wear the famous United Nations beret. In some old picture I found on the internet, they also wear this beret. And I'm gonna put the picture in the back of the video, so please make sure you watch until the end if you are interested in it. And I'm gonna talk about the gear right now. So usually they use X-band and 2 30-round pouches and the Davis style belt buckle, and there would be a water bottle at the back. And on the other side there will usually be a gas mask and the KM8A1 billet. So they use this 6-color desert uniform until the 2003, and when it's the late 90s, early 2000s, they changed the setting, they changed the patches. All the patches were like become sand color but with like black leather. Also the rank and the service branch patch all change, and the patches also change. These patches were no more exist on the uniform. They are replaced with a Korea flag patch on this side. And the reason I started to collect and feel interested in this uniform is because I visited South Korean's military museum last year, and I saw this one. They were doing an exhibition about South Korean military deployed overseas, and I saw this uniform in the museum, and I was like, this looks super cool because it used the same color as the American US Army, but it has very strong Korean style, and I fall in love with it immediately. And that's how I get the whole thing. And after 2003, South Korean military keep, they still have like desert camo uniform, but it's not like this anymore. They have their own like design after 2003, and I'm gonna put it here for you guys to do a comparison later. So on the left hand side, you can see the South Korea's Zaytun desert camo uniform. So this one is used after 2003 to replace the old 6-color desert camo. And let's take a look at the design. It has the classic South Korea military design, the shoulder strap and the clothes in a V-neck place. I don't know how to say this in English, but yeah. And all the patches, the parachute patch, the rank, name tag are replaced in the same color of the clothes. Unlike the early 90s version, it used like a very bright one. This one is more like low visual, more technical. And actually, I said it wrong in the earlier clips. I said that the flag would be, I said that the United Nations patch would be replaced as South Korea's flag. I was wrong. It was not on this side, it was on the left side, as you see on the Zaitun's military uniform. And technically, this is the, there's a very big difference. It kind of looks like, the desert uniform used by the British military a little bit. And, after 2000s, Korean military's name tag become the same. Like whether you are a soldier, NCO, a military officer, you have your Korean name in the middle and the English last name at the bottom. But in the 90s, they differ it. Like the NCO and the officers have the name tag like this, Korean name and the last name. But the soldiers, they have like name in the middle, but the series numbers on the top, there's no English last name. Yeah, that's it for my video today. Thank you guys for watching.